If you really want to do something, you will wait. If you don't, you will find an excuse. Know success in your own way, achieve it in your own way, and build a life that you are proud to live. Goals and unplanned goals are just a dream. If you woke up without a goal, go back to sleep. There is nothing wrong. The matter that you see exceeds your energy, and God did not put it before you, except that He has put with Him the ability to overcome it. In a close moment you do not expect, you will find yourself in the middle of your dream, which you have always wanted and wished for. Never lose hope, reach the near relief. Let your smile change the world, but don't let the world change your smile. Be strong. You are so much stronger than you think.